All right. Here's the video on how to get into the online textbook. So you want to open up a tab, schoology.dodea.edu. Click on that, log into your student account. From there, the 4 boxes, McGraw-Hill. From there, it'll prompt you to, oh, it's opening in the book now. So you want to get on the AP Honors and Electives course. Click on that link. And here is our Traditions and Encounters. Launch the book. And the ebook. Your screen may look a little different from mine. And voila, the textbook. Yes, I'm going to navigate from the last page I was at. Chapter 30, The Americas of the Age of Independence, and table of contents is here, and you can do some highlighting, some note-taking if you like, and place markers. Voila! Hope this helps. Bye!